Welcome foodies! In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make these low carb and sugar free super soft chocolate chip cookies. Alright, to get started, in a medium bowl you want to add half a cup of softened unsalted butter and a quarter cup of coconut oil that has been melted. And then you just want to take an electric mixer and beat that until it's nice and smooth. And then you want to add a third cup of monk fruit granulated sweetener, a 0 sugar brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is optional, but you can add half a teaspoon of almond extract if you want to bring out that almond flavor. And then you just want to take your electric mixer and beat that until it's nice and smooth. And then you want to set that off to the side. And then in a large bowl, you want to add 2 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and this is what's going to make them like nice and soft and fluffy. You just want to mix those together and then set that mixture off to the side. So now we're going to combine our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. And so what you want to do is just add your wet ingredient mixture into the dry ingredients, using your electric hand mixer to mix everything until it's well combined and forms a dough like this. Then just using your spatula, just scrape down the sides and make sure everything is well combined. Next you're going to add about a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips and add it into the batter and then mix it all together until it's well combined. So here I have a cookie sheet that's just greased and lined with some parchment paper, and I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop just to scoop out the dough into neat little balls. Then I'm just taking each ball of dough and rolling it out in my hands to make it nice and smooth and flattening it out just a little bit so that it'll have the perfect cookie shape. Then you want to bake your cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Here are the cookies once they are baked. As you can see, they're completely cool, and I did flatten them out just a little bit. So here is the finished product. These cookies were super easy to make and they're really nice and soft and delicious. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!